fucking thing apart. Right, Kenny, I'm going to smash this out, get this done, and I'll give you a call in a bit. Cool, lad. Let's get these 13s, get these bad boys out. Another one in there. Where are we? Here he is. I said, hey, yeah. Right, that's that. Let's get that out quickly. That's the top done. Right, clips, 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 clips. Right, sweet. Right, let's get the bad boy up in the air. Let's do it. Check that stuff out. Yeah, you're black. This one's got to come off from the ball joint, so we've got to take stuff back. I'll put the stands. See right at the back, put your hand under. Put your hand under, I'll show you where to go. Go on. Yeah, put your hand forward. See, there's a chain, yeah, right there. Right there. Right at the end of it.